Next, we got our 4-box of Optic. Just a small little break. Still a couple weeks before Hobby comes out. Alright. Box 1. Got Keenan Allen, McCaffrey, Kamara, DJ Chark, rated rookie for the Jags. Oh, oops. I'll finish this box first. Oh, you got the Browns line? Is that who you're waiting on? You got Crowder, McCoy. For the Rams, John Kelly, pink. Not numbered. We got an Adams rookie. Nice. Good luck, buddy. We've got Carr, Aaron Donald, Elite rookies, DJ Moore for the Panthers. Gesicki rookie. Browns and Bears. Gotcha. We got Cousins, Mack, Derrick Henry, David Williams rookie. Matt Ryan, Adams, Kareem Hunt refractor for the Chiefs. That naughty man. We got Sony Michel rated rookie. Bortles, Aguilar, David Williams pink for the Broncos. Darren Payne rookie. Come on. Keenan Allen, Christian McCaffrey, Jameis Winston. Another Chark rated rookie. Crowder, Kamara, Rashad Penny, pink rated rookie for the Seahawks. Not numbered. Simi Cobbs rookie. Derek Carr, McCoy, Matthew Stafford, and Gesicki rated rookie. Kirk Cousins, Mack, Aaron Donald, Davenport rookie for the Saints. Just like the first box. Derrick Henry, Keenan Allen refractor, Sony Michel rated rookie. Blake Bortles, Devontae Adams, Simi Cobbs pink, and Jordan Wilkins. Got Rivers, Tyreek Hill, Davenport pink, Cantrell rookie for the Chargers. Benjamin, Flacco, Gronk refractor, Alex Go, rookie. We got Eli, Zeke, Gronk, Jefferson, rookie. Antonio, Hyde, Cam Newton, Dante Pettis, rated rookie. Luck, Aguilar, Dallas Goedert, rated rookie, pink for the Eagles. And Mark Andrews, rookie. Got Johnson, Trubisky, Adams, and Denzel Ward, rated rookie. Kinda cold, kinda cold. Alright, last box. Got Parker, Sanu, Equanimus, St. Brown, pink rookie. For the Packers, Deion Kane. Got Olsen, White, Blake Bortles, refractor. Ronald Jones, rated rookie. Got Anderson, Miller, Peppers, Jordan Thomas, rookie for the Texans. Ajayi, Zeke, and Valdez Scantling, rated rookie. We got Bortles, Clay Matthews, Josh Rosen, pink rated rookie for the Cardinals. So nice one. Then we got Maddox, rookie. We got Ryan, Cousins, Mariota, and Anthony Miller, rated rookie. Alright, thanks for joining me.